we're just millimeters away from clearance. And make a riser.
Started using these Xtrusion Overland racks, and they didn't quite fit with the iKamper mounts, so we had to add a little spacer just so that we could get enough downforce on this pinch and that we didn't put any linear stress on this stainless steel bolt, because they don't like to bend at all and they lose all its strength. So we took these all apart, made some spacers out of aluminum, bolted them back together. This should almost be stronger than the rivets that were in there. It seems to have worked just fine. It's an excellent way to mount tents, and 10 out of 10 would recommend.